Bobcats.
I'm Elijah.
And I'm Madeline. Here's your daily bulletin for Thursday, September 30th.
Tomorrow is the 1st of October. You'll find some new menu items in the cafeteria, such as the pasta with meat sauce on Monday, the Bobcat Bowl on Wednesday, and the baked potato bar also on Wednesdays.
Congratulations to the Student of the Week, Hannah Barnes. Hannah was nominated by Miss Reger, who said Hannah is one of my hardest working Math 3 students this year. She has not missed a homework assignment, asks great questions in class, and uses time in class to try and thoroughly understand the material. She is quite the focused young lady. I'm very impressed by her determination and desire to learn these math concepts, and I am so happy to have her in my class this year. Students, litter on the campus is still a problem. Please be sure to clean up after yourself, especially following lunch. Another problem is the amount of plastic water bottles left around. Please consider bringing your reusable, clean canteen or water bottle, and then use the refilling station in the cafeteria. Hopefully we can reduce the amount of plastic we use and the bottles left around campus. Seniors, the 1st of October means that it's officially college application season. Get your CSU and UC applications together and turned in by the end of November. And here's an important point. The school has grant money to pay for your college applications, up to 4 applications per student. To find out more about how to access the funds, email Johanna Conway or Nicole Roseanne. Speaking of college applications, the Chico State Education Talent Search will be hosting virtual UC and CSU information workshops to help with CSU and UC college applications. You can learn what the difference is between the UC system and the CSU system and how to navigate the application process for both. They will even take time to work on the applications with you. The UC virtual workshop will be held next week, Wednesday night, October 6th from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Sam Blanco, UC Davis, Associate Director of Pre-College TRIO Programs and College Opportunity Programs, will present information on the UC application and personal insight questions. This is a great chance to get your college questions answered. Parents and families are welcome to join. You can register for the UC workshop night at this link you see here, which can be accessed from the printed version of this bulletin. Next week is Spirit Week with a theme for each day. We will start this week on Thrift Shop, Mismatch Monday. Tuesday we will show off our red, white, and blue while singing along with Born in the USA. Wednesday we will work out in our favorite workout gear. Thursday we will show off our fancy preppy outfits. Friday we'll get ready for our homecoming football game and prepare to do All I Do Is Win in green and gold.
The We Got the Beat homecoming dance will be held outside the Golden Gym from 9 to 11 on Saturday, October 9th. Tickets are $3 with an ASB card, $5 without ASB, and $7 out the door. You can get your tickets at the student store, open every day during lunch. This is the first dance of the year. It's a semi-formal and it should be a lot of fun. Don't miss out. The class officers should be meeting with your advisor and starting your floating preparations for homecoming. Each class will enter a float in the homecoming ceremony halftime show. The class that wins the contest will get $100 deposited into their class account.
Speaking of class officers, PHS recently held elections. Here's Olivia with the introduction of all the representatives for each class.
The votes have been counted for class officers this year. For freshmen, we have Ian Barrera for president, Rachel Pernot for vice president, and Caitlin Kennefic for secretary-treasurer. Sophomores, Colby Boston and Dustin Jones were elected co-presidents. Trenton Gibson won vice president, and the secretary-treasurer is Jacob Shaw. For the junior class, Noel Four was elected president, Brandy Lee is the vice president, and Jesse Lewis is the secretary-treasurer. The senior class president is Leticia Ventura, Raven Meyer is vice president, and Emily is the secretary-treasurer. The ASB president is Paige Cummings, and the vice president is Matt Wegener. Congratulations to all the officers.
In sports this week, volleyball plays at home again against Pierce. The varsity matches start at 6 o'clock, JV at 5. Come out to the Green Gym and support the Lady Bobcats. The football team is away tomorrow night at Durham.
Here is your patriotic message from Elie Wiesel on what would have been his 93rd birthday. There may be times when we are powerless to prevail injustice, but there must never be a time when we fail to protest.
Happy birthday today to Logan Springsford and Angel Hernandez. Happy birthday this weekend to Lance Golan and Richard Halverson. Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up. Speaking of college applications, I was about to do it in British. Okay. Sorry, I was about to talk. Regeer. Oh, it's so tight. Regeer.